Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to see and delete all your comments on Facebook post. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on to our channel cause we post content like this in our channel. So to get notified for our future video, be sure to subscribe with notification on, and let's start today's video without any further ado. So first open Facebook and click on the three line at the top right corner and scroll down until you see setting and privacy. Click on setting and privacy, then click on setting. Then after you come on settings, scroll down until you see activity log over here, which is in your Facebook information. Click on activity log. Then you can just scroll down until you see manage interaction and click on manage interactions. Then after manage interaction opens up, you can click on filter, categories, then click on comments. So it's going to show you all the comments over here in which you made from your Facebook. So if I want to delete all of these, then I can just click on all, and then at the bottom there is a button called remove, right? Click on remove and click on remove, and then boom, all your comment has been removed. So that's how you see and delete all your comment on Facebook posts. So yeah, if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.